Tip O. All clear. Teka. Yung scorer, hindi pa naayos. Matitay. Pasabihin na yung bago, ha? Let us know, pare. Okay na? Okay. Okay. Go. Tip O. It's white tail. Erwin, give the ball. Erwin. Pass to Castres. Castres, take a shot. No good. Erwin, let it rebound. Pass the ball. Deflected by. Ryan dribbling the ball. Yung bola pakitabi. White inbounding to Arnie. Got by Castres. Dribbling the ball to Mario. Mario take a shot. Miss it. Outside. It's white ball. Nag-inbound mo pa ng bibig. Pag binigay lang yan. Pagnawakan na ng white. Okay. Santos. Ryan to Santos. Santos take a shot. Rebounded by Santos. Pass to Castres. Castres takes the ball. Take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Candas. Arnie dribbling the ball. Arnie to Ryan dribbling the ball. Ryan to Santos to Arnie. Bautista got a three. Miss it. Rebounded by Carazo dribbling the ball. Fake. Turn around. What a shot by Carazo. 2 points by blue team. Commissioner number 85. Sumata na yan. Ryan, another commissioner. Dribbling the ball. Miss the ball. Lose the ball. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos. Pass to Castres. Castres fake. What a shot by Castres. What an alignment from Castres and Santos. Very shiny alignment. What a pass. Canlas take a three. Rebounded by Carazo to Castres. Castres delivering the ball. What a score. 4-0. Santos take a shot. What a shot. A running shot by Santos. Ryan, the commissioner, to Canlas to Ernie, takes a three, miss it, to Peko take a shot, Carazo got the rebound, to Castres winning the ball, one, deflected by Canlas, it's blue ball, Santos hits the ball. Santos looking for a cutter, looking for man. To Caranto cuts the ball. Caranto take a shot. Miss it. Peko got a rebound. Bautista held the ball. Ribbing. Bautista. To Peko. Peko picks. Peko to Canlas. Left shot. There's a foul. Castres. Foul. Number 33. Foul. Inbound, ref. Inbound. Ryan. Miss. Santos. What a rebound by Santos. 2 points by White team. Castres looking for man. Castres to Santos picks. Take a shot. Miss it. Carazo. Pass it. It's white ball. Arnie, to Ryan. Lose the ball. Larado. Last rest. It's time. Change. Ilagay mo sa tenga niya. 6-2. Blue ball. Suns dribbling the ball. Gonzalez to Santos. Santos to Parato dribbling the ball. Takes a shot. Tanas with a big rebound to Ryan. Ryan dribbling the ball. Ryan. Outlet by Wilfred. Tanas to Arnie. Take a shot. What a shot. Long shot by Arnie. To Suns. Fakes. What an intercept by Santos to Peko. Intercept by Carranco pass the ball. Intercept by Santos to Ryan. Mounted by Carranco. Pass the ball to Peko. Peko next shot. What a shot by Peko. 6-4. Suns dribbling the ball. Slowing it down. Gonzalez dribbling the ball around. Gonzalez. Okay. Number 3, take a shot. What a miss. Ole. Bautista dribbling the ball. Carranco fakes. What a shot by Carranco. Arnie dribbling the ball. Ryan got the ball. Ryan to Santos. Mounted by Jonas. Santos drives. There's a foul. Foul number 3. Shooting foul rep. 2 shots by Santos. 2 team fouls by Blue. 2 team fouls by Blue. Yeah, 2 team fouls by Blue. It's Arnel ang foul. I'm just saying the blue team got 2 team fouls. No. Arnel. Santos taking a free throw. That's it. Santos makes the second free throw. So, ilang foul ni Erwin? Wala pang foul yan. Gonzalez. Isa lang. Erwin take a shot. Miss it. Arnel to Parato to Suns dribbling the ball. Suns to Jonas to Parato. Arnel. Oh, what a pass. What a break by Jonas. It's Blue. It's white ball. Ryan to Peko to Ryan. Ryan fakes. Ryan dribbling the ball. To Callas take a 3. Miss it. Yes. To Jonas. Jonas. Jonas to play. Makapit yung sapatos mo, pare. Gonzalez winning the ball. Gonzalez. Take a shot. Miss it. Santos got the rebound. Santos winning the ball. Take a shot. There's a foul. Jonas the Ganay. Foul. 2 shots. Ano yung score, pare? Score. 8-5 in favor of Blue team. Jonas got foul. First shot in by Santos. 8-6. Second shot. Another shot by Santos. 2 points. Gonzalez. Gonzalez dribbling the ball. Gonzalez to Santos. Santos to Carato. Carato take a shot. Miss it. Carlos rebounded. To Peko. Peko dribbling the ball. To Arnie. Arnie. Moving the ball around. Ryan. Santos for a pass. Jonas. What a shot by Jonas. But miss it. Anlas to Santos. Santos to Ryan. Fakes it. Ryan to Arnie dribbling the ball. Take a shot. Money by Arnie. James Taylor. Mario. Miss airball. Mario airball. It's white ball. Dribbling the ball. Ryan dribbling the ball. To Peko take a shot. Money! Tulang. 2. Jonas. James Peko. 8-11. 3-point lead by Whitey. Ardell fakes. To Jonas. Price. Take it out to Ardell to Casquez take a shot. What a shot by Casquez. Cesar Ryan dribbling the ball to Peko take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded. It's Casquez dribbling the ball. Casquez dribbling the ball. Ardell take a shot. Ryan to Canlas dribbling the ball. Canlas to Peko take a hook shot. So good. Rebounded by Casquez dribbling the ball. Casquez controlling the game to Mario to Jonas. It's stepping violation. And 11, 1-point game. It's a 1-point game. Ryan dribbling the ball to Arnie hounded by Mario fakes to Canlas takes. Miss it. Rebounded. Get Peko miss the shot. Rebounded by Canlas rebounded by Mario dribbling the ball. Mario finished 0. Pass. Oh, what a pass. What a shot. Miss it. Ryan got the loose ball. To Arnie take a shot. Casquez rebounded. Casquez dribbling the ball. Casquez dribbling the ball. Casquez. Mario take a shot. Miss it. What a hustle by Batman. Arnie take shot. Miss it. 12-11. Change paper now. Blue team na. Blue team, 1-point game. Got the lead. 1 point. Casquez dribbling the ball. Casquez to Jonas. Jonas to Casquez. To Ardell take a shot. What a shot. Composed shot by Ardell looking for Ryan. Staring at Ryan defending Rebounded by Castres. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres dribbling the ball. What a shot by Castres. Missed what a rebound. So Castres again. Castres take a shot. Rebounded by Nani. Ryan all alone. Home alone by Cesar Ryan. Cesar Ryan. 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 Castres. Mario. Mario take the three. Miss it again. Ryan. Ryan dribbling the ball. Peco. What a shot by Peco. Score pa rin. 14-15. What a rally by Whitey. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 1 point game. 1 point game. Leading Whitey. Nilipat na kanina. Sila nakakaalam ng possession. Whitey. Ryan. Ryan to Arnie. To Peco. Peco take a shot. Rebounded by Santos. Santos to Mario. Mario dribbling the ball. Mario to Santos. To Santos. Santos takes shot. Another rebound by Santos. There's a foul. One baseline. Number 1 foul. Kanina. Santos. Santos to Castres. To Santos. Santos take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Santos. Ryan. Ryan dribbling the ball. Ryan looking for Carlos Santos. Santos right. What a shot by Santos. 2 points by one team. White team. Castres. 17-14 in favor of White. Sanz to Mario. Mario. 2 points by Mario. 17-16. Ryan. Hounded by Castres. Ryan. Pass to Santos. Santos. What a pass! And missed it. Rebounded by Santos. Makes it. 2 points by White team. 16-19. Favor of White. To Castres. Taranto. Miss it. Rebounded by Canlas. Ryan. Ryan dribbling the ball. Ryan, the commissioner. Ryan, the commissioner dribbling. Take a shot. Miss it. To Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos to Arnie. Arnie to Santos to Ryan. What a pass! 8-1. What a pass by Santos. Makes flag. Ryan. 16-21. White team building up the momentum. White team. Ryan makes the 3-point play. Ano pa rin? 22-16. 22-16. Sanz to Mario. Mario to Sanz. To Caranto. Caranto gives the ball. To Mario. To Caranto. Lose the ball. Arnie, takes a shot. Miss it. Rebound by Canlas. Miss it again. Ryan got the ball. Miss it again. Ryan to Canlas. Miss it again. Peco. What a shot! And one by Peco. Was fouled. 33. And 1. 16-24. White team got a momentum. 2-team foul. 2-team fouls. White 1. Yeah. Mid shot. Bautista. Bautista. Bautista to Rayat. Rayat. To Canlas. Canlas take the three. Miss it. Who's ball, Red? White ball. 40 seconds. Bautista. 30 seconds. What a block. Rebounded Arlen makes it. Points pa rin. Still 26. 10 seconds. Arnie. Miss it. Lays it up. Makes it. Oh. Ano second? Let's go. Let's go. 16-28. In favor of white team. 16-28. In favor of white team. Man-to-man nyo na! 16-28 in favor of white. Okay, start! Erwin dribbling the ball. Erwin fakes it, takes a shot. Pass the ball. Turnover. Ryan. Arnie dribbling the ball, take a shot. Money! Defense, 16-31. 16-31. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos. Makes it. Defense. Arnie brings the ball. Arnie, handled by Santos. Peko, handled by. What a shot by Peko! Peko the money man. Peko is the money man. Erwin Santos. Pass the ball. Fix. What a shot. 4.5 losing. Batang. Canlas bringing the ball to Santos. Arnie bringing the ball. Oh, what a pass! What a shot by Ryan! What a shot by Ryan! A big rebound by Ryan. To Toronto missed it! Ryan bringing the ball. Restore pa rin. 20-35, 15-point game. Sam, Arnie. Take a long three. 15-point game. 15-point lead by white team. Taranto. Ryan dribbling the ball. Ryan to Canlas to Ryan dribbling the ball. Handled by Arnel. Arnie. To Canlas. What a pass! Canlas makes two. by White. Blue, no foul. There's a foul. Number 3 foul. First team foul. Okay, stay first 5 minutes. White ball. Baliktad din mamaya ha. Hindi nyo. Mamaya. Okay, baliktad. Arnie. Oh, what a shot by Arnie! It's money shot. 3 points. Castres to Santos. To Jonas. Jonas makes 2. Jonas makes 2. Ryan really dribbling the ball. Ryan to Arnie. Arnie dribbling the ball. Arnie. Candace taps in the middle. It's Ryan dribbling the ball. It's Ryan take a shot. Rebounded. Castres. Pass break. Oh, Peko got the loose ball. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos. What a pass by Santos. Another Santos. Got the rebound. There you go. 2 points. Easy 2 points by Blue Team. That's the way, Blue Team. Keep it up. Huh? 28-43. 15-point game. 15-point game. Arnie. On the by Carato. Switch it. Ryan got loose. Got blocked by Castres. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos pass. It's a block by Santos. What a block by Santos. Peko. Pass break the ball. Peko to Arnie. Makes the shot. Miss it. Caranto dribbles the ball. Miss the big shot. Santos to Ryan. Ryan is looking for the time. Ryan looking for the kill. Ryan dribbling the ball. Pass to Canas. There's a foul. Batam. 92 foul. Second team foul by Blue. Throw in. Arnie. To Canas. What a pass by Canas. What a shot by Canas. Sumata na yan. Castres dribbling the ball. To Santos. What a shot by Santos. 30-45. It's 15-point game. Last 2 minutes for the third quarter. Peko to Canas. Peko to Arnie. Arnie dribbling the ball. To Peko to Arnie. Peko back. Shot clock violation. It's Blue Team. 3 seconds pa rin. 3 seconds left. 21. Oh, miss by Carato. Oh, what a hustle by Jonas. 3 seconds pa rin. 1 minute. Carato, right, pass it. What a pass by Carato. Score pa rin. 32-45. 32-48. Blue team, 32-48. 16-point game. Santos. Wala rebound by Castres. Oh, miss siya by Castres. Uy! Wala pass! Wala pass by Rayak! To Carlas. 85 foul. Shooting. Matulis ang pasa ng commissioner. Carlos makes the first shot. It's getting serious. Carlos' second shot. Miss it. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos. There's a foul. Number 11 foul, ref. Yeah. Ano yung single doon, Juan? Teka. Ano yung single mo nung foul? 0-1, 0-1, 11. 11, okay, 11. Okay. Oo nga. Big boy. What a shot by 38-52. 38-52. What a defense by Caraco. What a cut and pass. Puesto. There's a foul. Santos. Pre Santos, ano pa lang? Pre ka pa lang. May correction ka dito. Oh, 3 fouls ka pa lang, pare. Tama ka. Oh, natulong kami na din. Football right? Wide goal. Nine goal. It's blue ball. Come on, blue. Fight. Come on, blue. Fight. Fight behind. Come on, blue and white. Castless. 2 points by Castless. Defense. Make a game. Blue team. Defense. Biggest game. Was foul red. Santos 1. Oh, now. Warning Santos. 4 fouls. 4 fouls for Santos. Santos got the ball. Sands takes a three. Miss it. Ryan takes the ball. Ryan takes a shot. Miss it. Rebound by Castres. Castres winning the ball. Castres. 3 by Mario. Miss it. Rebound by Carato. Take the shot. No foul by the red. No foul. Santos to Ryan. Football red. Wide goal. Pwede mag-time out. Time out blue. Time out blue score pare. 40-52, it's a 12-point game. Sino ilan team fouls ng blue pare? 1 team foul sa blue. Oh. Time out kayo. Binigyan na nga yung time out. Arnie, pounded by Santos. Santos against Santos. Santos 2 balls. Ryan got a rebound. What a rebound by Ryan. Arnie to Ryan. What a pick and roll. What a pass. What a play. Foul. Number 5. Second personal. Number 5. 13 foul. What a big round move. It's a balloon. Santos taking a shot. Miss. It's a big balloon. Santos Second shot by Santos. Makes the shot. Score pa rin. 40-53. It's a 13-point game. 13-point game. 13-point game. 3 points. It's a 10-point game. It's a 10-point game. Ano na? 10-point game. Kasi 13 din yun. Oh, what a foul. What a layup by Peko. Minus 8. Ginaman nito eh. Subtraction. Blue warning for penalty. Blue warning for penalty. Peko missed the first shot. Score pa rin. 43-53. 10-point game. It's a 10-point game. Oh, what a rebound by Peko! Peko got the rebound! Ari all alone! Oh, what a pass! What a pass! What a pass! What a miss! What a miss! Ryan, this is funny! Ryan! Peko Dallas! Arnie got a ball. Arnie! That's a double miss! Oh! What a... That's rest! 2 points! It's an 8-point game! 8-point game? It's an 8-point game! Ilang minutes pa rin? 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes! Oh! Wow! 10 points! It's ilang points kayo pa rin? 5-point game! Time out! It's a 5-point game! It's a 5-point game! What a momentum by Blue Team! Headed by Santos and Mario Cerecero. Teka, ano to? Blue ball ba? Blue ball! Ha? Walang game na doon. Blue ball yan. Ayun na. Ano blue ball to? Ano yun? Naaro doon eh. Hindi, tatapos na yung oras, di ba? Hindi ba? Ay, hindi. Sige. White ball. White ball, pare, white ball. Okay, all good. Correct na. Pag-mail yan, ball. Ryan, mountain wide. Ryan. To Santos. Santos, ready to go. There's a foul. Another Santos. Shooting 2. Stop the clock, pare. Stop the clock. Penalty of Blue. 53-48. What a shot by Santos. Ilang foul ng White? 3 foul. Baseline. 3 team fouls by White. 3 teams foul. 3 team fouls. Hindi nira eh. Siya kumalas. Load. Oy. Over the back. Ryan dribbling the ball. Ryan. To Arnie. 56 seconds. Blue ball. 56 seconds. 3 points. 3-point game. How many seconds pa rin? 45 seconds. 3-point game. Oh! There's a foul. Penalty, penalty. Penalty. It's a 3-point game. 51-54. Penalty. Sure bakit may commissioner? Sure bakit may commissioner? Second shot. Another shot by commissioner. There's a foul. Stop the clock. Warning, warning, warning. Warning. Huh? 31 seconds. 5-point game. 31 seconds. 31 seconds. 5-point game. Tapos 3 points. Free throw, ref. Final score. 56-51. 5-point game. 11 seconds. 16 seconds. Ano? Time out kayo? Time out, time out, time out. Hindi pa sabihin ng meron. Pare. Foul 3 foul. Position dito, foul lang yun. Pwede ba yan? And now,